tea, isn't it, Bates?
It's smashing, Detective Basher. Shit, it's fucking Davis.
Must be serious.
Hey, Deputy. How's dodging bullets been going for you?
Cut the shit, Bates. Sheriff wants you two downtown right now.
May I ask why, my good friend?
I don't know much, but I'm hearing word of a big chicken, about the size of a man.
So, we gotta bring the air fryer?
So you're telling us there's an anthropomorphic cock on the loose?
There's been a violent attack, 1 fatality. Eyewitnesses all tell the same tale. Some kind of chicken man with a terrified look in his eyes went berserk on innocent people taking their nightly stroll. Kearney wants you two to figure this shit out.
Alright, but I'm taking my business to go.
Leave the biscuits, Bates. We have a job to do.
I can't believe more fucking people die in this fucking town.
Your wife sounded like she was dying last night, Kearney.
Where the fuck were you two?
We were working, Buttercup.
That's Sheriff Kearney to you, Detective Master Bates. All right, settle the fuck down. There's a feral man chicken on loose. He's scared. He'll kill anyone in its way. You can't be acting like children. An old bastard just went splat.
I'm just having trouble picturing a chicken of that size. Is it possible that he isn't a chicken at all?
We have an eyewitness who saw the entire feathery chaos. Name's Shoshana Trench. She'll tell you everything.
Hello, Shoshana. Sorry to bother you. I know this is not a great time, but I'm Detective Chris Basher, and this is my associate Detective Nick Bates. I know you may not want to relive such horrid events, but we need to know exactly what you saw transpire this evening.
We've heard that a chicken sent 2 to the hospital and 1 to the grave. Is this true?
Yes, there was a big chicken, but he wasn't really a chicken. He didn't hurt or kill anyone, though. They did that to themselves.
What is that supposed to mean?
A couple walked up to him thinking he was some kind of joke. They got closer, realized it wasn't. They draw away, knock an old man down, crack his head open like a fucking egg. They survive and blame it all on the chicken man, who disappeared shortly after.
Does the sheriff or Davis know this at all? Did they interview you?
No, they just gave me this thin-ass blanket. And they just run around in circles and do whatever they do.
Ah, now that all makes sense. But how did you get here?
I live and work right up the street. Just pop out for a quick smoke. Didn't expect chaos to unfold.
Well, thank you for your time, Shoshana. Regardless of this chicken man's intent, I promise no actual chickens will be harmed in the solving of this case.
Well, good luck fighting him. He can't be far. But beware. His face will haunt you. And don't succumb to the madness. Or a chicken will make of you. Good luck.
I'm not even mad at you boys. I'm just disappointed.
Did you two even interview Miss Tran at all? She told us the chicken man is innocent.
Already fucking are. I'll believe that when I see the damn thing.
We don't get paid to do detectives' work. Detectives.
Yeah, get paid to eat cheeseburgers all day. What do McDonald's points you fucks have?
McDonald's? I don't even eat at Mc...
Whoa, shh.
What the fuck was that?
That's our chick.
No time to lose, Whopper Juniors.
This looks like our chickie, man.
Let's proceed.
Stop. Whatever game you two are playing is gonna get us all killed.
What is it, Bates?
It's Intercello from Basher Bates 1!
That's impossible. He's rotting in maximum security.
It is him! He hates me because I have diabetes and he's gonna kill me too! Can't finish me first!
This won't solve anything.
Time to go to the big Popeyes in the sky, mother clucker.
What are you doing, man? Bates, you bloody yank! Just let go!
That ginger fuck wants me dead!
I'm not watching a good detective throw his life away over a lolly sucker in jail!
Why? You're letting him get away.
Because it's not our place to dictate nature. It's up to God, or in his case, Colonel Sanders, to decide the chicken man's fate.
Deputy Davis, my sweet boy, no! No, Dallas. I want answers!
It was a surprise attack, and poor Davis was in the way.
Did you shoot the son of a bitch?
My emotions got the better of me. I lost my head, and he got away.
God dang it, Stan, there's no fucking justice in this filthy world.
Yeah, as long as you're in it, Chubbs.
Gorgeous creature has returned.
Mama!
Are you ready for the next one?